In this video guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can promote your website and get free traffic and drive free traffic to your website. A lot of people are using this website that I'm gonna share with you, and you really should start using this website if you want to get so much traffic for free. Okay, as you can see, I was using this website and I got 8,320 clicks for free, and I got this commission, as you can see, with just from free traffic. Okay, $245, and this website really will help you to get a lot of traffic for free without investing any money. Okay, so let's get started. So the website guys is Pinterest. So if you go to Google and you search for how many users Pinterest has, as you can see over here, Pinterest has 450 million monthly active users. That's really millions of people are using Pinterest. You can get so much traffic from this website. So if you are new, go to Google, okay, and search for Pinterest. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so this will be your home page, as you can see, and there are a lot of people here are promoting website and their businesses on Pinterest, and they are really getting so much traffic. Okay, so what you will do next, this will be your home page. Click over here to promote your website and get free traffic. Click on home feed, click on create pin. What you need to do next, you will be directly in this page. You need to upload a picture about your website. So your website says if you are selling services, upload picture about your services. If you are selling products, upload picture about your products. So for example, I'm gonna just take an example. This is, for example, this is a picture of my website. So for example, I'm selling this products on my website. Click on open. Just upload your picture like this, then scroll down. You need to put here your title. So for example, title about this products. Let's name this product, for example, free. It's just an example guys, okay, free traffic. And what you need to do next is you need to put here description about this product. So for example, this is good products. This is just an example guys, okay, so I'm just showing you how you can promote your website to get free traffic. Put your title, your description, scroll down. What you need to do next is you need to put here your website link, so people can click on this link and they will go directly to your website. So let me show you. For example, this is my website, okay, and I'm selling this product over here. So what you will do, you will copy your website link. So just copy your website link, go back to Pinterest and put your website link here. Okay, scroll down and click over here on choose a board. If you are new, click on create board. It's really easy and simple. You just need to give it a name. For example, I already created, and you can create as many as you want. Scroll down and put keyword that are related to your website. Okay, put the keyword over here. So for example, free traffic. Those, for example, this is my keyword. Okay, and after you finish, just click over here on publish. Okay, and your website will be published on Pinterest, and people will find your website here, and you can get so much traffic to your website from Pinterest. Okay, as you can see over here. So if people, so for example, this will be picture about your website. This is your title and your description, and this is your website link. Okay, and your website link over here. If people who will find your website in Pinterest, they will click on this link, for example, like this, they will go directly to your website, as you can see. Okay, they will be directly in your website, and you can get so much traffic from this website. Like I said, a lot of people, millions of people are using Pinterest, so that's how you can get free traffic to your website. If this video is helpful for you guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.